Where to find PCST, pipeline construction safety training? Here is login information, https www.oscts.ca. It's safe website, https. Here's my name, Cezary Giluk, phone number, and email if you'd like to contact me directly. Copy that link or type it in your browser, and it will take you to Oil Sands and Construction Training and Safety website. Go to e-learning. Pipeline training. And here it is, BF019 PCST, Pipeline Construction Safety Training, English, and I also offer a French version of the program. Click on the text or picture, add to cart. You can specify a quantity you want to order here, or add to cart. You can adjust quantity, proceed to checkout, and it will take you to checkout. What's the advantage of ordering from Oil Sands and Construction Training and Safety is we supply PCST during hours, after hours, and over the weekends. Most of other suppliers do it Monday to Friday, 9 to 5. You will receive your PIN usually 99% of times within 15 minutes from time of order. Again, other suppliers, on average, they need 2 working days to supply you pins. And another benefit, after delivering the pin, we follow up with the phone call to verify that you got the pin, and if you have any questions that where it is good time to ask, we'll give you as well basic instructions how to avoid problems ordering. So here is, let me put contact information again. Here it is. Again, type that link in the browser, and it will bring you to the website. So thank you very much. Have a great day. And there is as well a special on ordering a higher quantity. For every 10 pins ordered, we will send you 11, which is 10% discount, which will improve your bottom line and help with profitability of your business. Have a great day.